Hello guys, I am from Gaugras, Mathsab. I shall discuss about approximation, that is chapter 6, application of derivative, NCERT 12 mathematics. First question I have taken. The question is, using differentials, comma, find the approximate value of under root 25.3 up to 3 places of decimal. This is the first question I am going to tackle here. So I shall discuss concept also. Now here I shall write solution. Solution implied that here I shall write let f of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing I have let. Here you can see under root 25, here under root 25.3 can be written as 25.3 raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing can be written. Under root given function under root 25.3 equal to 25.3 whole raised to the power 1 over 2 can be written. So here f of x is fixed here, will always be remain same in all solutions of this type of question. So f of x is fixed here. Here x is there. Here x is also fixed in all cases of solution of this type of question. Here 1 over 2 I have taken from this place. Here you can see 25.3 raised to the power 1 over 2 is there. Same 1 over 2 will be reflected here. F of x is fixed, x is also fixed, but here index I shall take from this place. 1 over 2, 1 over 2 must be the same. Remember this one. So what I shall do here? Here I shall write implied that. Here I shall write differentiating f of x with respect to x. So here we shall get d over dx of f of x comes out to be d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 2, implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x equal to d over dx of f of x equal to f dash x. Here f dash x is the first order derivative of f of x, and here d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 2 comes out to be 1 over 2 in bracket x raised to the power 1 over 2 minus 1. This thing will be written. So here we will get f dash of x equal to 1 over 2 in bracket x raised to the power minus 1 over 2. This thing will be written. 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 over 2 minus 1 comes out to be minus 1 over 2. So here again I shall write imply that f dash of x equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Here I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing x raised to the power 1 over 2 is there in numerator, that will be thrown back in denominator. It comes out to be x over 1 over 2. Here 2 is there in denominator. So f dash x equal to 1 over 2 dot x raised to power 1 over 2 you have got. One part I have completed. Now think over next. Here you can see 25.3. So here I shall write now the given number (25.3) will be splitted. Now the given number 25.3, this number 25.3 will be splitted into two parts. First part plus second part. Now the given number 25.3 will be split into two parts, first part plus second part. Focus about first part here. You have to think over about only first part. Then if you decided and have thought over of the first part, then second part will automatically derive. So what will do about first part? The first part I shall take from where? The first part, focus about first part. Value of first part I shall write. The value of फर्स्ट पार्ट कहाँ से लेंगे? यू हैव टू थिंक ओवर. द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट इक्वल टू इन्हीं में से 25.3. तो इफ यू राइट हियर 25 प्लस 0.3, if you add you will get here 25.3. Same thing you have got, this one is the same. This means by 25.3 has been split into two parts. First part 25 plus 0.3. 25 and 0.3 will be added, comes out to be 25.3. But here 25 will be taken only when get the prime factors of 25. So when you will get the prime factor of 25 here, prime factor of 25, so you will get here 5, I here get here 5, comes out to be, so you will get here 5 into 5, comes out to be 5 का whole square. Prime factors of 25 will be 5 into 5. 5 into 5 comes out to be 25. 5 का whole square. So this whole square, here you have got whole square. This value 2. This value 2. And here you have got 2. This value 2 must be the same. Here you can see 2 is there, and here 2 is there. Must be must be the same. You have to think over. It is not necessary here 25 is given, so here 25 will come. It is not necessary. But whatever value you will get here, that value will be nearing to this value. आसपास में, इस वैल्यू के आसपास में जो भी वैल्यू होगा, हियर यू विल पुट. बट द वैल्यू विल टेक, get the prime factors of value, and that value will be written like this. 5 का whole square. So these two and these two will be the same. This is the basic fender available here. This is the rough work I have discussed. The first part I shall take, if I take here first part 25, so you can get easily 5 का whole square you have got. 5 का whole square you got. So now power 2 or this power 2 must be the same. Power 2 and denominator here 2 is available, must be the same. Remember this one. This thing you have got. So what will do? First part. Then the second part will be 0.3. Second part will be 0.3. First part will be this one. So what should I write here? Here I shall write again, let x equal to 25 and delta x equal to 0.3. This way write. First part x equal to 25 I have written. Second part delta x equal to 3, so that x plus delta x comes out to be 25 plus 0.3 equal to 25.3. The same value you have got at this place. Now write here formula. Formula implied that f of x plus delta x. Here x is the original value of the function. Here delta x is the error of the given function x. Delta x will be the error of the given function and x will be the original function. The formula f of x plus delta x comes out to be f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. This is the formula. This is the general formula for getting the approximate value of any number. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. This is the general formula you must remember. So what we'll do here? Here I shall write f of x. So here the value of f of x I shall get from this place. F of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2. So here I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 2 plus delta x I shall write at this place 0.3 and f dash of x. F dash of x I shall take from this place 1 over 2 x raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing I have got. Now what to do next? Here the value of x you have got 25. So here I 25 raised to the power 1 over 2 plus 0.3 dot 1 over 2. Here in place of x I shall write here 25 raised to the power 1 over 2. Now 25 can be written as 5 का whole square. So here I shall write, open here curly bracket, 5 का whole square raised to the power 1 over 2 plus 0.3 dot 1 over 2, open here curly bracket, 5 raised to the whole square raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing we have got. What we'll do here? This two will be cancelled out. This two will be cancelled out. So here we will get only 5 plus in bracket 0.3 dot, here we will get, here again this two will be cancelled out. Here we will get 1 over 2 into 5. 5 का whole square raised to the power 1 over 2. So 2 will be cancelled. I will get here 5 raised power 1. Lastly, we will get here 5. So 5 to the 10. Here we get 5 to the 10. So now comes out to be 5 plus 0.3 10 approximate value 5 plus 0.03 comes out to be approximately 5.0.3. All value I have written here, write like this. This is approx. Actually, this is equal to, this one is approx value. Here you will get approx. So this value you have got, this will be the correct answer you have got. So like this thing will be solved. So here I shall write answer is equal to answer approx value. This is approx value 5.03. This will be the correct answer we have got. In this way this question has been solved. Later on I shall take more and more question related to this exercise approximation, so that things will be cleared in complete sense. Till now, okay, thanks.